Are you getting the so much junk email in your Outlook? So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can stop these unwanted emails. So there is just few methods you have to follow in Outlook. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So as I told you, there is a few methods. So first methods, you can subscribe from these junk emails. So if I getting the too much emails from particulars like promotion emails and all, so if I get the just open the Twitter, this promotion email. Okay, so what I need to do, just scroll down very bottom, and every email has the option called unsubscribed. Okay, so if you're getting the too much emails from particular email ID or domain name, just open one single email and unsubscribe from them. So it will be unsubscribed and you won't received an email, it is successful. Okay, so now close the mail. This is the first method. Just open the emails from this domain or email ID and just unsubscribe from this email. So won't receive, you will not receive any email from this email ID or domain. The second method, is go to the home, select the email ID. If you're using more than one email ID and in one email you're getting the more spam email, just select the email ID where you want to work, and home tab, just come to under the delete option. Under delete option, just click on this junk icon. Okay, and go to the junk email option, and under the email option you can select the level of junk email. So if you have no automatic filters, so you may get the emails from junk unwanted emails in your inbox. So I suggest you use high or low levels. Okay, I suggest you use high levels. Okay, and second option, go to the block sender, and here you can add the email ID. So if you're getting lots of email from the any email ID, just type this email ID here, like youtube.com, add here. You have to click add, then this dialog box will be open. Now just add the email ID and just click OK. So if you add any email ID here, so it will be block email from email ID only. But if you are getting the emails from the particular domain name, lots of emails, and you can add the domain name also, like only youtube.com. So it will be filter all emails from this domain, and just click on apply and OK. So please note that if you add the domain, so you will not receive any emails from this domain, like info@youtube.com, security at the youtube.com. You won't receive any email from this domain, it will be moved to the junk. And after you add domain, you can use, if you select this option, permanently delete suspend junk email instead of moving to the junk email, so they will don't move to the junk email. It's automatically deleted. Okay, if you select this option. Now just apply, and now your junk email will be reduced. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.